everyone, welcome to our video today. So today we are running over the features of Studio Sessions. And now a lot of people may not realise this, but Studio is involved in all of your licenses free of charge. There's also an option for Studio Prime, which is a paid option which gives you a central gateway. But today is just a quick video to show you how you can collaborate online through Bluebeam. So what I'm going to start off by doing is, you can see we are in a studio session here. So this is just one of our test studio sessions that we've set up. There's a meeting ID here which you can share with people to invite them into your session. And you can see that we've currently got 3 people within this session. So we've got Patrick, who's not currently online. We've got myself and Kinga, and we are both currently online and reviewing this current document. So what I'm going to show you initially is making a markup on the document. So this works just the same as it would within normal Bluebeam Revu, whether you have standard CAD or extreme. So I'm just going to make a call out around this conference room 211 and just add the text, "This room needs reviewing." So you can see that I've now made this change, and as with in Review, this has now been listed in the markups list, so you can see it listed down here below. Now, as I mentioned, my colleague Kinga is currently also online, and what I'm going to get her to do is also make a markup onto this document, so you can see what will happen. Excellent. So as you can see, this has now popped up to let you know that Kinga has now actually added a comment on here. So she said this office is actually too large. So what I'm going to do on my end is I'm going to reply to this and say, I agree. This room should be made smaller. Fantastic. So that's now notified Kinga that I agree and that we should go ahead with this change. Now, because we've both agreed, what I'm going to do is set the status as accepted, and you can see here in the markups list it has noted that that's been accepted, and it just means that people are aware of what's gone on, and this is all kept track in both the record and in the markups list, which is very, very helpful. Now, what I'm going to show you next is following an attendee. So you can see here that it shows everyone who's online. Now, you can either right-click and select follow attendee, or you can click on this little person at the end here. But what I'm going to do is just click follow attendee through here. Now, what you can see is there's actually a small orange arrow where Kinga's cursor would be. So you can see as she navigates around the document, I'm able to see where she's going and what she's making these changes to. So what I would like to show you finally is just how this would work if you were to work offline. So for example, if you have guys who need to pop out to site to show the people on site this design, they're not necessarily going to have internet access. So what you can do is work offline. So you can do that by just clicking this box up here. Now it's notified me that I'm now offline and working offline. I'm going to go in and just make a quick amendment to Open Office 200 and just say this needs to be a closed office. Fantastic. And then what I'm going to do is just go back online, and you can see as soon as I go back online, not only does it alert the other attendees within this session that I have rejoined, as you can see down here, but you can see that as well as joining the internet, it automatically uploads that markup to the session again as soon as I am connected back up again. So that is Studio Sessions. Now, as I mentioned previously, most of you guys do have this function available in your license already. You just may not necessarily know about it. There is an option to get a paid Studio Sessions version, which does give you a central gateway that's referred to as Studio Prime, and that just allows you that extra visibility over your current users, and it gives you that gateway to manage them as well at the same time. If you have any questions in regards to Studio Sessions or Studio Prime, feel free to get in touch with either myself or Kinga, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks very much, guys, and thanks for watching.